Okay, the next stage in our little game is to get the car to explode if it goes off the track. So in order to do that, the first thing we're going to do is drag a control onto the screen, which is going to be the if control. So drag the if control onto the screen, and what we're going to get it to do is say if it touches the green, then we're going to explode. So we're going to need to say, we need to drag on the sensing option, and we're going to look for the touching colour. Drag that into your if loop. And we need to find the correct colour. So click on the colour tab itself. Then you can go to your game and click on, using the pipette, you can click on the actual green on your game. So you make sure you're picking up the right colour. Okay, so if it's touching the green, we want it to explode. So the next thing we're going to have to do is change our costume slightly. So go to the costumes tab. You've got one costume there already. Copy that. And we're going to edit that second costume so that it looks like it's going to explode. So using your drawing package, we can add some flames onto it. You can do whatever you want here. When you're ready, say OK. And then go back to your scripts tab. You can see you've got two costumes there now, costume 1 and costume 2. We're going to go back to the scripts tab. And we are going to drag onto the script the looks. So go onto the looks. So if it touches the green colour, we're going to get it to switch costume. So it's the top look there, switch to costume, drag it into your loop. We're going to get it to switch to costume 2, which is the one with the flames. The next thing we're going to do is when it does turn into flames, we want the game to stop. So back to the control tab, and you're going to need to scroll right down to the bottom for this one. We want it to stop the script. Drag that in. And then we need to position this loop somewhere. Where do we want it to position? We want it to position whenever the car is moving. So we're going to drag it just under the move 1 steps. So drag the entire loop up and position it just under move 1 steps. And just before you test your game out, just make sure you're on your costume tab and you've gone back to the costume 1. We want the car to be in its normal state before you play the game. And then test the game out, click on your green flag. And as soon as it hits the green, it's going to explode and turn into flames, and the game should stop.